Hey team, this is Scare coming at you from the PE office, Physical Education Learning Teams. This is our department meeting. Okay, you guys are probably wondering why I'm introducing this thing called Flipgrid. You guys might not know what Flipgrid is, but hopefully you will know what it is, how to use it, and maybe implement it in your next couple weeks here coming along. So basically, what Flipgrid is. Let me go to the next slide here. Flipgrid is a social learning platform that allows teachers to connect with students through posted video questions. It allows students to answer prompts with a video response. So you're probably thinking in your head, why can't I just ask the student a question in person? Now, you can, but you would be surprised what kind of answers you can get if you actually let a student record it. And they also kind of have some fun with it, as you would see. But yeah, you'd be surprised what you get. So technology in PE, you're probably thinking, why are we doing this? We don't use a lot of technology in PE. We've never used technology in PE. Well, the more we use technology in physical education, the more it will become the norm. Okay, students use technology in all their other core subjects. I know it's a little easier for them to use it, but we do have the carts and we can somehow get them in the gym and use the Wi-Fi, and it can be done with a little extra work. Physical education can benefit from including technology. And I know in my weights classes and the girls' weights classes, it's probably a little easier to implement this first, and then it can leak into the physical education classes. Flipgrid overview. Okay, so what is this thing? Flipgrid allows teachers to sign up for an account for free. Okay, it's very user friendly, and it's basically a website, and it allows you to personalize your own grid. You can make your own classes in there. There are tons of features available to make it fun and engaging. And the thing I like the most is it does not take up the whole class period. Okay, you can do this as like an intro, and I kind of want you guys to do this as an intro when we get started here, and you'll see it once I pull it up here. Okay, so Flipgrid. Basically, you come here. You're not a student, you're an educator, so you're going to click right here. Okay, once I click on there, it's preparing it. I have already signed in, okay, but it'll ask for your credentials and you give them your school email. Now, so once you give them your school email, you can sign on, all right, and it'll only let you sign on, and it won't let just random people sign on. So that's good. Now you can customize this. You can customize this happy face. This is my grid here. So what I did is I added a new grid and I called it physical education. Okay. Now I also added a topic. So this is very simple, very easy. I put favorite sport. So I'm going to click here, favorite sport. That's me right there. Now you're probably thinking, what is this guy doing? Well, I'm going to play it. What's up, guys? Hello. What your favorite sport is and why? I'll give you an example. My favorite sport is baseball because I've played it for so long. It's kind of a mental game. I just love watching the Dodgers. So that's why my favorite sport is baseball. Okay, now I need to know your favorite sport. So the kids, you can share this, you can start a discussion, and when it's shared to them, they can, with their email address, sign on. Okay, you can do this through the school email. That's what I like about it. You can go through the school email, and when you share this, you're going to share this Flipgrid right here. They can copy it, they can scan the code. Okay, when they go to this website right here, they can sign on, or you can just send it to them, because I know you have all their email addresses, and they'll get this prompt. Okay, and when they get this prompt, their responses will come back. Okay, there's tons of little like happy faces, and there's tons of like they can paint themselves, and they could add sounds and all these things on there, and it's really cool. On the my activity part, okay, you can add a bunch of you can add the calendars. It'll save it for the week. Okay, you can create new topics. What I'm looking for is for you guys just to make it very simple. Okay, what I did is I just kind of did, I used to call them just intros. Okay, so right when they get to class, something they can do right away. Now we don't have, okay, right here I put Nogales High School. That's our high school. I put United States. This is all my profile. Okay, I can do a bio if I want to, so the kids really know who you are, but you can update that if you want. Okay, you can add a bunch of topics, okay, but I would want you to keep it very simple and just say, maybe at the beginning of a unit, what do you know about volleyball? All right. The shy kid probably won't say what he or she knows in front of a lot of people. Now, if you want to record them and they want to record themselves, on a computer, they might say a little more. And you can go in, okay, and you can see what they posted. You can edit, you can move it, okay? You can give them personal feedback. This is a very cool tool. Okay, so this is called Flipgrid, and we're going to try it out. All right. Thank you for listening to my meeting.